political tension in the state is coming too much.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, the political landscape in Rivers State has been tumultuous, with past struggles and shifting allegiances causing a rift between the ruling party. Governor Fubara, once a protege of Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, found himself at odds with his former mentor, leading to a clash that threatened and destabilized the state. Yes, the failed impeachment attempt orchestrated by legislators loyal to Wike added fuel to the fire, sparking a wave of uncertainty and chaos. President Tinubu's intervention aimed to quell the growing tension, but the situation continued to escalate. Amid the political turmoil, former President Goodluck Jonathan stepped into the fray, offering his perspective and counsel in an attempt to bring about peace and unity to the embattled state. His intervention was mixed with reactions, with some applauding his efforts to mediate, while others questioned his motives and influence in the region. Let's hear directly from Goodluck Jonathan as he gives his own take about the Rivers State crisis. Do well to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about the advice of Goodluck Jonathan, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Don't go anywhere. I'll be coming back to wrap up the video. Take a look.
The political tension in the state is coming too much. Transition in Nigeria is becoming a problem. At the center, presidents have been taken over from presidents. There are always issues, but at least it's better managed. But at the state level, it's becoming noisy in so many states. And I feel that is not the best. Outgoing governors and incoming governors must know that they work together for the collective interests of the citizens of the state. And that is critical because you must work together. In this case of Rivers State, Honorable Minister Nyesom Wike and Governor Fubara must work together for developing the lands and the people of Rivers State. The tension will not help us. Rivers State is very critical in this country. Rivers State is the heart of the Niger Delta. If Rivers State is destabilized, the whole Niger Delta will be destabilized. And it will not end within the Niger Delta alone, because I'm from this part of the country and I know how the system works. And we wouldn't want any crisis in Rivers State. Leaders must know that nobody takes 100%. You must learn the principle of give and take. So our own political actors must work together if you love the Rivers people. You must work together if you love the Rivers people. And I join the leaders of Rivers State and the well-meaning Nigerians that have been calling for truce. They have been calling for ceasefire to also re-emphasize that there is a need for ceasefire. Let us do things that will rather project the state. There is this common saying that when two elephants are fighting, the grass suffers. Both the governor and our minister are young people, very young people, but they are powerful. And if they continue to fight, the Rivers people will suffer. And we wouldn't want the Rivers people to suffer. So we are calling on them. We are calling on them to embrace themselves. One hand does not clap. You take two hands to clap. So we want them to work together for the collective interest. Whatever has passed has passed. Let's move to a new future for the interest of the state, for the interest of the Niger Delta, and indeed for the interest of this country.
You've seen it for yourself that as the people of Rivers State grapple with the aftermath of this political upheaval, the role of leadership and statesmanship comes into sharp focus. The decisions made by those in power have far-reaching effects and consequences impacting the lives and future of millions of Nigerians. In times of crisis and conflict, it is crucial for leaders to rise above personal agenda and political revivals, prioritizing the well-being and prosperity of their constituents. Yes, the path to reconciliation and progress may be fraught with challenges, but it is only through dialogue, understanding, and cooperation that lasting change can be achieved. As former President Goodluck Jonathan continues to engage with stakeholders and seek common ground for Rivers State, the possibility of peaceful resolution looms on the horizon. The resilience and spirit of Nigerian people shine through the times of adversity, paving the way for a brighter future. The journey towards reconciliation and healing begins with a single step, a gesture of goodwill, and a commitment to unity. Let us stand together as one nation, one people, united in our efforts to build a better tomorrow for ourselves and generations to come. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. Do well to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about the intervention of former President Goodluck Jonathan, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Also, do well to intentionally smash the subscribe button if you're new to our station. Turn on the notification bell so that you can be duly informed when we put out more informative content. Thanks for watching.